Welcome back, children. So now we will study about the human respiratory system. Children, human respiratory system is made up of different organs which combine together, like we have nasal passage, oral cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. These are the organs of the human respiratory system. These organs to combine, they work together to form the human respiratory system. See, children, how this respiratory system works. When we inhale through our nostrils, air passes through our nostrils into the nasal cavity. From the nasal cavity, the air reaches our lungs through the windpipe. Lungs are present in the chest cavity, and this chest cavity is surrounded by ribs on the sides. A large muscular sheet called diaphragm forms the floor of the chest cavity. Breathing involves the movement of the diaphragm and the rib cage. Now, this breathing takes place in two ways, that is inhalation and exhalation. Now, during inhalation, ribs move up and outwards and diaphragm moves down. This movement increases space in our chest cavity and air rushes into the lungs. The lungs get filled with air, and during exhalation, ribs move down and inwards, while diaphragm moves up to its former position. This reduces the size of the chest cavity and air is pushed out of the lungs. Now, these movements in our body can be felt easily. How? Children, we can simply take a deep breath, keep our palm on the abdomen, and we can feel the movements of the abdomen. This is how human respiratory system works. Now, children, here you can see the model of the lungs. Where plastic bottle is used, you can use straw and you can use balloons, and the bottom of the plastic bottle can be cut and a rubber sheet or a balloon can be fitted there, so that you can understand how breathing takes place or how mechanism of breathing is possible in humans. Like you can see the model, you can make it yourself. It's very easy, it's not difficult. To understand the expansion of the lungs, you can pull the rubber sheet or the balloon, and you can see the moment you pull it downwards, the air gets filled in the balloons, and the moment you release it, air is removed from the balloons and they come to their original position. Now, what do we breathe? Children, the air we breathe is a mixture of carbon dioxide and moisture, and for this we can do an activity, that is take a cylinder clean test tube or a glass plastic bottle, make a hole in the lid and fix it on the bottle. Pour some freshly prepared lime water in it. Right, then blow air through the straw into the lime water. The lime water turns milky. This shows that the air we breathe out contains carbon dioxide. Now take a mirror and blow air on the mirror. A film of moisture is formed on the mirror. This shows that air we breathe out contains moisture. Next we will study in the next video. Thank you, children.